Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 415 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the last product I have left to try from my March Ipsy Glam Bag, and that is the Skyn Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. And this is the limited edition berry lip fix with wintered red algae. And gosh, do my lips need this all the time. So I am so excited that I got this. This is a brand that I hadn't heard of before, but when I was looking it up online, I saw that it's actually available at Ulta. So the full-size version retails for $14. And so Ipsy's card here says that this brand's products are made to heal, relieve, and replenish stressed out skin. Made with wintered red algae, almond oil, and shea butter, this berry-scented lip balm nourishes dry, chapped lips and coats them in long-lasting moisture. And that is exactly what I need. Just go ahead and apply it. It has the angled squeezy type of application, and this has no color to it, so I'm not even going to swatch it. I'm just going to apply it right to my lips, my dry lips. And that berry scent is so nice. It's not a very strong, overpowering scent, but it definitely smells good. And I love these squeezy tube kind of applicators for just a throw on anytime type of lip product, because you don't have to worry about like taking out a wand, using two hands, applying it with your finger if your finger's not clean. So this is just like so perfect for on the go anywhere, which is exactly what I would want a product like this to be used for. I want this to be able to just go in my purse and apply it whenever my lips need the moisture. Oh wow. I didn't know that this was supposed to have a cooling effect to my lips, but my lips really are feeling a little cold, like a nice cooling effect. Not a tingle or anything like that, but it really is very soothing, so that's interesting. And this has some nice shine. It's, I would say, the same kind of texture and sheen that a Vaseline gives me. And Vaseline is like what I apply on my lips all the time. So I like the look of this, and my lips look completely perfected, hydrated. They look smoothed out, which is the look that I really want from my lip products when they're really relieving the dryness to my lips. So it did exactly what I was hoping it would do. The only thing that I would wish for is that this had a lip color to it, because in the last Ipsy bag from February, I got the, forgetting the name right now, but I got a lip treatment that I use all the time. Oh, the Hanale lip treatment. And that has like a pink tint to it, so I love it. So between the two lip treatments that I received from Ipsy so far, I do like that Hanale version a little bit better because of that tint. This one is great for just throwing on, not needing a tint, but I personally, since I love makeup, I like to have that tint of color to my lips. And also, I think it might be helpful if I put in the description box down below kind of a wear test on this, if my lips get chapped again really soon, or if this really does help hydrate my lips for a long time. I want to be able to let you know about that in the description box down below. So I'm going to continue wearing this and using it and really giving it a full test. All in all, every single product that I tried out from my March Ipsy Glam Bag this month has been so great. I'm so happy about everything, and I'm going to get great use out of everything, especially this. I know like this is perfect for at night actually, when I don't need a tint of color and I just need that moisture. So I'm probably going to put this on my bedside table for exactly that purpose. And let me know in the comments down below if you tried anything from this brand, Skyn Iceland. Now that I know that it's at Ulta, I feel like I really want to order some more of it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.